We are going to solve the following system of equations using Gauss elimination and back substitution. The system is 3 times x plus 2y minus z plus w equals 0, x minus y plus 4c plus 2w equals 25, negative 2 times x plus y plus 2 times c minus w equals 2, and x plus y plus c plus w equals 6. So here we are going to write the augmented system first. Then we apply some elementary row operations in order to find a row echelon form of the matrix. With that, we write the row equivalent system, and then we use back substitution to find